live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, after this forecast, I am going on sabbatical. I will see you guys next year. All right, just kidding. Let's take a look at what I'm tracking. We have a fairly mild weekend ahead with temperatures in the 40s on both days. It'll be relatively quiet today in terms of those winds. It gets even a little milder for tomorrow, and of course tomorrow is Groundhog Day. We look at this in more detail. Now the breezes will pick up a little bit, especially into the afternoon. Could see some gusts between 15 and 20 miles an hour, a slight chance of a shower, and of course we will have the groundhog forecast. Now, I'm not sure if we can do this, but I know in the past when I've worked here on the weekend morning show on Groundhog Day, we've been able to take the forecast live for Puxatawny Phil, so hopefully we can do that for tomorrow. And as we look at Wednesday, a storm is likely. We know that stuff will be falling from the sky. The question is what kind of stuff? Will it be rain, snow, freezing rain? Right now, it looks like a combination of all three, but amounts remain uncertain because, of course, if that changeover happens more rapidly, it's less snow. If it takes longer to occur, then it's more snow. So we need to look at more information as we hone in on that forecast for Wednesday. Right now we go outside and we have relatively quiet conditions for a Saturday morning, and not too bad temperature-wise. It's 33 degrees. Winds are out of the west at 5 miles an hour, so if you're heading out early, yes, grab the jacket, but not brutally cold. The winds are fairly calm, so you're not going to have that nasty wind chill going right through you. 31 right now in Newport, 29 Coventry, 31 in Negrete, and 31 in Westerly. Notice we have some clouds streaming in from the west, a few breaks in these clouds as well. In terms of precipitation, the bulk of it will stay off to our north and west as we go throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. So there will be a chance of some isolated showers both today and tomorrow, but most of the time it's actually not raining. So certainly not describing today as a rainy day by any means. In fact, we can go hour by hour on your Futurecast. We increase the chance of some rain as we head into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. This is right around 3 o'clock. You can see the chance of some showers pushing on through. And then even on Sunday, while we will see the chance of a shower, most of the time we just don't get any rain at all. Notice this little blip of precipitation well off to our north and west, pretty much agreeing with the trend of the bulk of that next weather maker staying to our north and west. So we will get some clouds, but most of the precipitation stays away. Now, as we backtrack and look at the forecast for the rest of the afternoon, notice how we have low to mid 40s, 41 by 1 p.m. By 3 o'clock, we're at 43 degrees. And overall, while it's more clouds than sun, there will be some pockets of sunshine from time to time. Now, I'm going to fast forward temperatures all the way into tomorrow because here's where an even bigger change is on the way. And notice one trend that's pretty interesting. 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we have upper 40s, 48 Smithfield, Providence at 46 degrees with some of those mild breezes. But because we'll be picking up these breezes from a southerly direction, the south coast will likely be cooler. Will it be this much cooler? Around 40? Probably that's a little bit exaggerated, but I expect conditions along the coast by tomorrow afternoon to be some 5 to 6 degrees cooler because, of course, the ocean pretty cool right now. As we look at the 7-day Futurecast, again, a slight chance of some showers tomorrow. On Monday, a storm will pass to the south. That may graze the south shore with some light snow. That would be about it. At this point, that does not look like a big deal. Even Providence could get some light snow, but we're not looking at much in the way of accumulation. There again is our weather maker on Wednesday. In terms of timing, it looks like it would arrive before the morning commute and then start as snow, change over to rain at some point during the day, and perhaps even affect the evening commute. We really need to, of course, look at more information to hone in on the timing for that Wednesday event. But at this point, it does look like a storm will be there. As we head into Thursday and Friday, upper 20s, mostly sunny as conditions get a lot colder, but definitely looking forward to the mild temperatures this weekend. And of course, really looking forward to Groundhog Day for tomorrow, Kelly. I know you're looking forward to that as well.
Yeah, if we can get closer to spring quickly, that would be really nice. Yes. But it is New England, so you never know. We could be really warm, and then the end of March, we get a huge snowstorm.
Yes.
So that's New England.
That's the way it is, and it helps keep me employed. So overall, I don't mind.
All right, Pete, thanks so much.
Yep.
Well, covering New England this morning, the cleanup continues following a tractor-trailer rollover on the Cape.